Hey everybody, Kensurfs here, and time for another video. Well, it's been a year, a little over a year, since I did a tour of the Shave Den, and I've been getting a lot of requests, and actually over the weekend I did a massive cleaning of the Shave Den. I had so many shelves just packed full. When I try out products, I've got to learn not to just leave them in here, but to, put them safely stored away instead of letting them pile up. So the family got on me and we ended up cleaning up, and the results are what I'm about to show you. So I'm going to take you off of the mount here, and I will take you on a quick tour of the Shave Den. You guys have probably seen them in the previous videos from a year ago and 2 years ago, but for those of you that are new, here's what a hobby can lead to. First of all, we're all mirrors in here. This makes it really good for close shaves. Comes in real handy. And you guys were asking what mount I use. This is permanently glued on here now, and this holds the iPhone. By the way, there's the wristwatch check. We are on lunch on Monday. And here, directly below, you will see some of the items that I use quite often. We back up a little bit. We're on deck. This one is going to be what's used in the next video, the new soap. And you keep hearing that automatic sprayer. That's this guy right here. It's got, what brand is it? Shoot. So I've got that. It's got a timer on the back, and I'll keep it on low, and it keeps the bathroom smelling fresh. All right, what else do we got? The crystal skull and my alum block. All right, almost forgot to open up this. This is where I keep a lot of my vintage aftershaves and colognes from back in the day that I use on special occasions. And it's basically, what's this? Oh, from Hawaii last year. Keep that hanging. I'm gonna take you up here. Ah, there it went, it just went. Some of the photographs you're gonna see. That's my father. He was actually shaving in that photograph. He shaves in the kitchen sink. And that one, I shot of him actually when I had just started college back in 1979. All right, now we come into some of the collectibles. Got some autographs. Goldfinger. Spectre. See so much glare in the background. And here are some of the colognes that I use quite often. And you've seen me use them in a lot of videos. Some more razors. Some of the brushes. Please don't disturb. Timothy Dalton, License to Kill. George Lazenby. Diamonds Are Forever. Live and Let Die. She autographed that one too. One of my favorite Roger Moore movies. And you can never have too many brushes, badger, synthetic, or horse. All right. Love that Corgi car. We've got a golf ball similar to what he used in the movie, Goldfinger. Spectre lighter. Zippo lighter. James Gardner, autographed for me back in the mid-70s. A gentleman commented, he was probably right. This is from Diamonds Are Forever. And I won a radio contest and I got to go to the premiere of Lone Wolf McQuade in Beverly Hills. Dual autographs, Christopher Lee and Roger Moore. And Never Say Never Again. You notice I used to have a very big set of drawers right here with all of my shaving stuff in. I've thinned that out to some of the items that I use more often than less. I'm glad that's in a big tub because I really use that. I really use that bay rum from PAA. A classic, vintage, and modern from Panta Ray. I got this one as a gift. Not quite where it comes from. I'm not sure where it comes from. All right. This one I will be using in my next video. I will be doing a James, well, not the next one, but I'm doing a James Bond GoldenEye tribute shave. So I will be maybe having some scenes from that movie. Just got the shower over there. And yes, I still use it. I don't work for that company. I buy that nioxin from Costco, but they've seen my videos and they're always asking how it's going. All right. Vintage razors. Somebody once asked, and this is actually clean compared to what it was, but I got my shave bowls in there. Scuttles, soaps, Ozium for when my son stinks up this bathroom. LOL. And that is the quick tour. All right, well, thanks for watching. There's a lot of stuff that are on the sides and behind the camera that you never see, so that kind of just lets you know where you're at in here. All right, thanks very much for watching. We'll get a shave video out real soon. Stay safe.